abusia ene na watwe pepepe ya o my Ghana ye bo nyenya na ye ni supreme ye ni nyina ne emema mako wotwe ya na wo mokwakoye wo my no adwuma na nso fofi anto ata helicopter na wo modi etu kwan kokwa crash ye ma sabrede wo nyina ato na nanom e won siedo na watwe ni edien na epiefi mabafe asofo ye nkomhye ne emra wo my Ghana ede abase enkom ne de ka asema monhye ne mom no ne efa wo my no ho ne efa aban adwuma ni bi ho ne eye hu ne woka nipa ne tia ne yembehye no eno de mofa ne nyina emra presidency na yenhwe na Ghana fo bisa seso hunhumu asem ne betimi ahwe ewo anikan so na afei wontimi radio stations ya wo makwakotum na kwala ba konso wo mache no ebi just as NDC no wo mu ye etiatia central for wo mu fa hodie so nyina ene ensem ya edi ahim ewo media no so ene mensaka prophet Eric Akwesiamponsa ebo no ma ne se computer man ye ne ba ba twetwe komo metre so be kam ho ne ma na kwa ba na afei ya to ankomo no so di for mo akwa ba
ya obusante
papa bi aboko
amiado na aswe
amiado mboko di for ene na wotwe ya wo my Ghana asem ya to ye na watching then ye be ka say we see na watching then na ye kan film
memma your president His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Mano Jacob and the vice the cabinet ministers parliament as a whole the entire country no yako na abushia omade hye etotoye no e wo ya tese susu omum nyina hyede esa mom yako na akan amamre mu no mo mafiri mu no ye mom domre fadue omo nuye ene amane hu no wo ko no wo de wo ka afirifie na ko wo dwum aban adwuma ya somo wo no ho anu aka se wo nko omo somo man na afei njem sisi that maybe that ho amo man no aboto nene na wotwe sabe se na enam wie na no manyina ye be se nya me se onso abusua no akomumu yi we se bu one da so nyina no to raise up to a standard ya sanko for free we could do ye utimi nyi bi free so metimi aka so apabi ho ntoma yi obi a wo hia come fa so film ya me plain I try me be me no me ansa academy boho first one the former president His Excellency George Kufuor badi akonwa no na me wo 5 no therefore film na woni Kufuor nua ba na enam ya jese mfa so mo ya warefo tino mama ben Kufuor one day e wo no wana mama Gaddafi Libya president ton safre no the presidential jet na koye we were 12 in number na wo plane yakọ dimadi as president di yakọ di 4 days ho na ye 2 flight na back to Ghana mo say so Libya so ye desert ye 2 flight now close to 15 minutes na flight into me man mo so no say na me say an pray person to it took godly intervention yes anke nyina anke perish agusina me go Germany and so you do Mediterranean Sea no so na pilot announce say anything at all can happen yes imagine nti co-pilot dey cry free another autopilot if you buy you want say pilot no so begina wo uma begina je obi ayesi ye ni ba bi ekọ
sabro bi e fe yankopon
na me ya dom no say emergency landing afi we see ku wo na me ya dom ye nyina si ya na jato plane na she ba konso na me ko Gabon anso akoya dia ma my boy infantini vembisa days nena makoda na kese ye two flats sa plane ko na ya sapon o ya igwa na team
okay
na ye two plane na ye kwa ye ma emu so okotika international airport wa pe you want see we see e ba plane tukwa ana kai pilot now say this osana chi eko na me ya dom ye ya na bokoboko yes I be land ye say plane mu wo no because a bashe na a sell aviation for no anosh put you an essay now shepa Dr. Manabo but the Mississippi Bush said and this year you are doing the many mama what to know me ya cost a month for boy and some money in a fan in so and you receiving Katiano Makaso but Dr. Manabo Madi I can't connect that Yankoba be a president no one yam when you go fast to Noma. Now, the Bemen, no young for any member, Dr. K. Saponom, said the Musiti, no young for pa, no my son, Mutalanmo. Na, yeah, no, Macan said, or mano, and as ye are two and ye are very idea. We have lost the gallants. I could put them the heroes. That's you know, where Yankopon on him is she, and what ye? Yamia.
Because so ka say nyame a nipa bi na nsa hwase ana
obitum fan ntimi fan nsa nkwache se nipa bi na nsa hwase enye bomo nkrabia
iwo no no se na mo bi nsa so na zade yakosi
vengeance is from the Lord.
Okay.
Yeah, I will talk if you rather. So we been sana hwase a me yodi for men bill tell me hon ko ye no ma bi magana fo me sumu ngasa na di fo aba de make me hu hwe wo sunsum Ghana fo ne fama ma no si ne mo mia ngasa ma analysis me hu ne say there be because the dia me kasa no ye train Ghana Armed Forces they see any out of negligence.
Okay. On whose part?
Yan flat ye wo Ghana Armed Forces you must say helicopters in flat how do I them I didn't feel say helicopter bo ha tata kwame kuma penso da so kwame kuma free hoyi bebre bedi akonya e ma Royce bedi akonya Royce be che Royce de otoye omo da so yusu kufuo de omo da so yusu John the man mama so betena akonya so so to bi ye musa se maintenance e wo hene ade ba ko ha o man any maintenance e kwan kra ye be ye wie ye timi maintain kwan no na say ni se bibisi ansa hwe ofu waja janshi na akoma lam janshi wo kwa bonsa amana uto kanu uto amana ma na yisi amana ya dawo waja janshi ya ba bi adwunkuma yiri na so de wi amana bi ensuo bi da ho adawo dadada mpanyimfo twam so munye ma bibisi afena de ayi be ba be no na ka say don't all the things in the pipeline yan twan be bi lack of maintenance. Now, because the same flight, there is a video circulating. Yeah, Afran Prince, one more MP, was one you can say majority leader in Parliament. I could the same flight. Yeah, we see no more the air tour. Afran Prince, no see, engine sound no wasn't good. Emma Dr. Baramba Mare Omanebo Mao Freeman or Kwama Oba Parliament no can say. The state of the flat were both private jet for the president. And then I say phone in and quit in the state in India. Yes, I the same plane I could see. A pain and paying for a caco for. You see, the out of negligence.
What if for Sunny walk I walk out cast away different? A semi SC idea back one. A dear him won't pie, woman went different come share, one more a share. A camera as I said Ghana, so from Ghana for say. Doom prophecy no e ya dos wo mu hu nkomhye no mo ka bibi enu haya no be dia fa ho an
me kan sem fanchiro sunsum modwuma no ya to dum se e nkomhyefo adwuma amara bia si kwan se odifo be hyenko that is our office memeti who dare you to stop me from prophesying now ni se buti nya adwuma nso nya gira uti munnim nyansa no wagimi we did be a crime will be able to be a free at any time. And the Uncle Kufuor was a president, now he has become the former president. So, in the physical avenue, we be able to be a former. But in God's presence, we don't have former Jesus, former God, former Holy Spirit. We have only one God. The woman, Meslepa say, Sankom Sheba, Yamusia was any part of the Senate and Commission.
Okay.
And I'm said if only or chances be no one be waiting. Amande the office of prophecy no has lost its I can't say respect.
Okay.
It's in commission about all. The people just brush it out. It should be another kind of way. We have the young prophets in the system. Yen you move you who jump on whoever we should be panum the rest but how do people rate us?
Okay.
You did your temua at the abetu you. We Prophet Najee made mention of it. Said there will be a plane crash. That young guy, Fire Oja, came out. Roger was stated a helicopter. And Roger, and so by he made mention of Dr. Marie Bome's name. And then, according to Roger, if he's lying, I'm also lying. Say, after the prophecy came out, people started threatening him. And what you said, the Coco was a South African prophetess, also she income at the buy. So, we have been dealing with social media. Social media has come to stay. Social media has now become the new world. Yeah, there will be a cry 100 phone. Who do you go to? Yasi. Professor go computer man the natural pa at the bama. Go computer my age pa at the bama. Sika me water banks ni na pa ubenya. Until my process for no one more chili pa or mummer. Enti says ya monocasi. A bang and not to him say atono. The nipa or the nipa beka.
Okay.
The message say president. Wo ye Kristo ni. Woma na msumu wonu say. Nkom se baba bia say papa ye bone gidi. Nya difu obehya nkom no betimi aye hu bibi. Fatu otirim.
Oh, okay. Nya mo mu kan nyina na ebo ano.
Obu ho nya me de man se ka, but o ma otumi say ye hu bibi.
Okay.
No bo so nya me se ka na ye hu bibi se. Na betimi ye hu bibi a agedi ade na fa ne ho no. Na ye betena no mo de akwa sika sem say bra be hu me wo ko hu no obetwaje obeje. But adwuma no so enya sa. At the end, the prophecy that came was about the entire country. So I expected the president to pave way for these people who came out. Immediately, Nanka, video never trouble to who you come after.
Okay.
Mushu Sadia and Nabi Yamako for Yamako for Kitobian. Say Nabanti any day. These people were not caught. I have been say and some people about Adam and Yakaka was because the prophet be any. And when you be a dear Tamara of his super form. Then I may we should be mammy Timmy do a matter of one question. Woman say, woman won't yes, I'm so but did fit sour woman and no between my young when I'm come baby. Almost as I see him flavor in it. Now, Sir Prophet to be a hunia. What do you mean? Play at yet 20 minutes, some say,
okay.
But if you get 2-1, go be business or by I want to me fun and some to can't quite. As I said, Pabiness and who be born. Baba. The engine and Cordano at the Batuga, and a different Batu that will win. O flamping for ya, common fat.
Okay.
O be pedibra, the Casanco, o yape, the Casanco, some 6 now, and people before ya. Now be free bin more perfect for one fat. When you appointed and giving out a position in this country, you are appointed to serve and not to be served. But you must say, those people holding the government positions, no. Why are we trying to win?
Mukwaya na munya womo.
Oba fresa. Omonfa. And he said, if you want to be near from Amonfa, the best thing said, get about social media.
Okay.
Omo say, Mom, Koboya money. Who want to bet myself Papa so president fee? Every you assume. I said you clear when the president and we've gone in people. The president Momanaba. Because we are president, you just mark was a corner because no. Security free almost by camera, but in penny full can't come more president in 1 year. There be a social media so. A man send a helicopter crash by idea. And yet, you referee young can normally able to say, wow, Benyan Commission Biana. Channel through him. What kind of attitude is that?
And come about maybe say, send ya as of one more kind of say, a commission and banner your quiet, ya access no, or move your map running from my okay, and if you say the was a commission a bar. Say kapa enu nse ne nkomhye ba mo fa ni nyina amra presidency ha na yen hwehwem near a fan of one, I was saying, Malcolm, near 4 mine, no mine, I am and
I am sick. One more dear no one fat soon some more commission. What are they trying to tell us?
But if for Bible,
but not judging for the Jubilee House of Honor. Nam one on my bachelor, the idea for ye. Some American and say, Papa, I can't approach them. Or mine, a year, when you are able. Obiano actually, I actually him so to my men this year, this MPP. You see, President is father for all. The SEC, any effect. Nipa Bay na wosin sumani. Yo, but you know, some commission with free Yaman in Florida. Nan commission, ya so the seat of government.
Okay.
Now, when I do for the be quiet. What I trying to insinuate? Let us think twice. Let us think twice as a nation. There's a senka. One more the Bible in Tennessee. Yaman Crawford. Yadamasi, Yensu will be a hokai. The best as they say, the man at the Enchemuni war. President Eniabu will be a shoe. The best as the movie beer. Ya free young Carmonia can war. More the movie a chicken mobile by Makai. Never come my president as what it is be a bay. Then you have an abating when he said, and comes about the prophet Ben and comes about Bonanti. Member who comes out of Manantia, but Jubilee as I said, maybe. But if for so we are Sumafo. It is so common as my for the Minister Coened, my brother, Jonah, one money case. But I said, a money case can go to a ship for no good Jacka. Titano, has he been here? Oh, my son, about a frequent about skeleton to different things. If a man could not take a baby. Was this what this I will have to jam? Baby and cop. And yet, in the class, what is on the back? The American hasn't got the back. After you must see any penalty. Now, some the letter about you for be a Bishop Kumbian, Bohubian presidency. And I do for nonsense yet. Yeah, my president ground whom you, who ever mass up for so boom. Some men, no more my you. Oh, it's a comshare buffer helicopter crashing me. Send a boo in Roger can be a firewood jack can be. Prophets Uche can be. A big class of dress a deep for Bay 10. Bro 10 cry. Any who sound commission said if we announce when I went to me and Pamo. I knew who be ma and to me and so on. And the bill sent away when you know, I've been in it, you could do presidency. And Ka Abba Baku, Abba me, and say, when Kayan, young sons who live in the country, say, I do it there and crescent it me as you. Mamma Javadi. And François, I bang you to money, but can't play your printer. You were represented by one of his initiatives, they say, or Bagada, the religious bodies. Naja bomb pie. Adanya miase, ni asire yinche, ene puntu, ama ye president no mayina. Yes, I'm trust be me no. Ekoye bi Kumasi na Accra so ye mi no. To let him ba. Prophet for me nyame aduma 28 December na 43 years. Take computer man kai le. You kuna die ko sunsun me gina man te so. Ye kwakodu na o mabo platform kese a president te so. Yes, so na prophet for nyina ye pie ko canopy biase. Ni afan krofo a e bi afu setie niye. O mo se gan ko krampoma nse kai ade yeso bi ye bishop e bi archbishop. Archbishop no hefa Bible. Bishop wo hefa. The fivefold ministry no. Bishop nkan is a title. Ni yi sa difo ya nka ye president niye na nka yi key prophet. Prophet Kokuni num Ebenezer Pambo at the same na ye Reverend Usuben Panum Professor for Unum nanka na geji kwa dese ko muso ni pan prophet bedu ko bi nanka asuso mu Jesus and wo fenom key people ya mo ye difo ni prophetess bi o mu hunade no nanka ye president ye te o mu nchai nti e honom fresh ye mo mpaya ye bom pa ni mu ai be hunu bibi. Yes, I'm here. Now, ye pia prophet for na kugu baby. And a man glad enya kwakwa ha ge rebu usu bemba. Na me feel say, and ka say the usu bemba gine mu ma ban yi. And ka president trans bi anko betra na nche. As we na je gezu, we ye hwanu, ye se mu nyina mu nkotena do hwa. Na ye mfefa hwe se cardinal pia taxi. Roman aye wu pope wu. And ye fofo. No be able so na so Africa no fa popu ma yeda. Papa if you okra homudie okra ba ankoda na nikum ye fra pay taxi. Yes kokotena president nche ho. No be na nikum. Then no coca. Then mpanyimfo yi coca. Enti mese aban se a president no we nyam so muni. Owo chance bebre oni modimo ya wo bo wa ban onka hu se mpanyimfo se edomo ni sade oso takrache. Na se mpabo bi ba mama prophet fo no kwai. E ma prophet fo no kwai. Na mpanyimfo na aba na beja my god and a supernatural and ye ne pray hwipum. Ma se munya san kwasa sam no. Munya san kwasa sam no. Baby o ma bedu no ye mpa my god supernatural. E di fo bi e so ya so fo bi nya kwasa sam no. You were president na ni abre wo de adimpa na ebo. Wotu so bebu o man kama. Na mo benya ma papa mu mo ano. Ki sentade akese. Wo so bebu o motifi adu ba bo ne se bedu mebi no. Epanyifo ba so so adaye. Mo de mo da mo so na mnate ya hyenkom. Ti mo nyinyiri, mo ntira ase. Obuku afo platform je se ye so ne nsa. Ne ye betumi afo akotena president ho. Mo ma ye mforo. Na mo ya wei na makotena president ho na bibi ba mu hunu. My God, the supernatural me God, going to make me.
Odi for who boss of Mame Agrada di ni see di for ba ko ba won te be kire say e mama part ni nisuo e na edu awurade anim ti that saith the Lord say Ghana pa hoto de a yenko yi mame ni free prison
say Jimmy Fokufi abonsan no way so
odi for
adi fo mu nyan kwa na obi akon tai Jimmy fo sofo we ye brebo didi wey na demand de ye demand me sa de abedi no je se wono ba be pam chew Kofi Amponsan so esofo no ye elder of Pentecost nim no pa na wono ye elder of Pentecost na apostle doctor retired opoku nyina ba won se nye yi ti woni 7 member executive no go no ma bi ho nko yi ne ka sa anye Pentecost ni nye sa na mo dis oni no me so obedi untumi ye ofiri mu apostle untumi ana otifi wo chemu di na tem edi onyina poku nyina tem na otia komnya so di na tem sanfie nan we na ba bontin se nyame se yenya agrada na de we chimi ana so onim nyansa anya agrada na beda na comfortable mu a yenye ko hye no sofo a ewi eche so obi epenedi nti wo di ade ko ne tu ahe mu a se me metu mbedi agrada anka me ya be obi ya ko tu sha na me pa na obi ko di yenye na ada ne ko tu sha da bi o se ada lodge ni what you say no me ade we me ko fa ko ede na we when say helicopter afias crash yesi na wo man e twa pinie esi pinie ni so president you know wo su say Sam George na mission wo su controllably say look at obi su muntaka obi asu cause ya na bra be kan sama say agrada na tumunti ena nusu ade bayi
obi na yi kire
nese kasi am panyini kote boto be ma wo Nkoti ye kai se kwa nyi sa ye se wo chimifo bi se Kofi Amponsan Church of Ezra ade nana nyam na yiro he obi himself da asem ye Kofu trial ye the 3 years and a call ye de be the chamano nti Kofi Amponsan pa che se wo mu judicial system nana Kofi Amponsan has to be arrested immediately second to deal verdict aba na wo no tinchinka ni pafu bi at the time tell me to say they didn't ye be being ye musu ba no me ba kwa no go ni kwa so we no mti na chi wa boko Kofi Amponsan they just we kromfu ye tinini kura kodi wa no wachi we anya papa agrada ni su nti atai ye ni su no o mo do mo wi ade da nkafo akra ha nsawo asofo no kumase no o mo do mo ni su enu ye wo ya wo no ju amanfo good opa ma ye mejina on fa agrada ama say Ghana fo ye be ja agrada nti obi agrada adi ne boni bi omra na hwade potifo bu wo mu o so sisi gaga ne wudi na etu ye fin so asacha na ode ba bam ha wo ye nkwasiafo se na yikra ji 3 billion 120,000 Ghana pe se di ya temfu so ekokọ scam nya manfo na mra na che no na me na wa begina ka se nyame se agrada ni so na je se nyame obo akromfo ho wo ye chimifo so fo pa asia ma number 0244 57 10 50 0244 57 10 50 that's all for us so na de ntokwa na ba na ne wagina yeso hu se me the professor in anoya on the computer
e bi kire se amonyefo no so bia se wo mo be pre tumi na baby ya no wo mo fofa na niem a wo mo koye de be pre tumi no no na se wo benya tumi ni wi na se wo mo wura fie mo ho ekoba ne sa na tumi na wo kopre de be gi tumi ni esore a yesunsu aso ye be hu abi ni ye hu
asem wo yentimi nka me odifo menya adaje hwehwem na menya adaje hwehwem because I don't hear me amanyosem beto kisusom pati ase ana aheni enti memfama nko amanyosem pie no ne ade abesu ade no one has evidence or evidences to support that the honor there nipa biara ne fenso wo put to me ena wonum de okofa ya ene wona kasa njejeje wan yo na kwa kofa bowa wujejeje menye ni so saa yamfa se esan ho ena esie ne se saa pa so dia ene vengeance is from the Lord.
Odi for sabre wunua wamanyoko NPP party no ase emu enhye danyo ye kura titiru ne honorable Ken ene Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia wo mu no camp na ejada mu dendenden ne ebi mu kire ne se honorable Osechi Mensa Bonsu ya na wo ye former majority leader ene ye bi a wo da na di no enka ensem fata panimu ebi se wabedi party na ni mo pense majority leader na what take you stance akodina Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia chi na ebra nka Ghana ye kwa hoyeye mu sei no wutumi beka se o we die ya asem na asi yesu kakra ye ma NDC fo nhwe mu no monyoma de na afi ye nye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ye nye campaign mano na ye nto no yes a statement no wo chese enche ye se panimu woni wo mo ya ade
mama kan cho o say chairman Sabonsu o wie no djuma no nyansani pi oni mran so osaso se wo hena a wo so motum wakire na dwene na de mekan ba ko pe na mo bi ani papa na tem
okay
o de na gyina so anti wa de kasa bele ma no ba ka bi ba ka ko yensem hu so kan se ye man dis fo nyoma yi ho na maka se wanka na yi efi se enye dis fo nipa na ewu Ghana fo nyina nipa na mo de yakoba wo ne Canada ntem so wo de na stand akoma ba wo mia no mesre pa se ba wo mia so wo tie mia wane ye na nanam kramofo ni bi nkasa
okay
na so ba mana kwa aboso bi nsia ana se mfie mienu a we were so there be non ka se ne me declare me stand say me half Muslim half Christian
we do find things na wo kan say say ANC or some wo kan di
the woman say e da Ghana fo ni tidim say ye to obama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia obetwa krisosum ama Ghana nyina abaye kremosum na manfo wi le fi say nkremo som en krisosum e ba ko Abraham asefo ni nyina
okay
Ishmael eye oba na wo no Hagar ana wo Ishmael wa Abraham na Abraham ne Sarah wo ha wo fenso wontimi mbo ti Sarah akora Hagar no ana Abraham de komo no no kodi no wana ko wo ye fa ni Ishmael na asefo ne nkamfo tsanka wo fotimo ware up to 4 no ana ya kan se Sarah so kokko wo Isaac so asefo ne ekisofo nti kokoma de mamu nyina krobofo ma nanso echola bia de Ghana fo ke kana me de me kan wo nti o mo se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia person be president ya ene won sere kremofo ye nanam kremofo sempa cho bi se medical me stand me 50-50 ekisofo kwa mu o wa mu sa de obenya na se ye sa de ya ene na me kan pay se sa de ya maso de ya ne kan Japan chance
sa
sesade ya maso
se ne wo kan so de nya de beba so se no no
ene nti maso ya ne Kennedy wo chance ya puri bia mse de conflict bi ho wo se Christopher ntimi nware nkramofo so ntimi nware Christopher sesade na mfiri wa the problem beba Kennedy wo chance na se Kennedy chita afọ nto mbo se se ba wo me person ye president ya e twam you know that no first then another year ya no hye amanfo ahemfo nyina sore no e da amanfo ti ana president your tisui Ibrahim Mahama ba nye Ibrahim kra Mahama ba e no don da mani mamba ba e no wo se samuoma nti asa amanfo akopana se
okay
enti Sa ko ba sa man fa ko pana sempa dia. Eni na ye wura chi mensa. Onto no wase kakra.
Wunua wontu. Takwade ya suspended ne licenses out the go pretty say media house and as a media company. I feel so na bofa ba ko a wo ye presenter edema no yesin sim bia wo kaka ye ti sabre abambofo akwa na mo hwehwe be bi wo krampo na
wo ye go no de
odi for na no
so radio station bi anso so wo no go side ho e ko agogo no se ye go no
okay
na almost a day.
Na no bi ye enye enti obi aba won so nye bia na
ama won so nye bi wo mo ye o maye na ye wuntumi anu wote wo ye me party ba nyanso untumi became too arrogant ya de na ekeka kono sa na beba me ne manya info ni se NDC bomb ba chi wuntumi we apart from so ma close down the TV na yi no and the radio station no me come to say prosecution be shasi
oh sir
wuntumi will go to jail. Mark my words. Not less than 15 years. I think the purpose of radio stations will be all. I am to two. This FM by
abambofo akwa na mo hwehwe be bi wo krampo na wo mo wo mo se ne ekosi e kam ye se NDC aban wo tietia central for fa hudi so wo ne wo mo ya adwene
oba pokwa mo check videos so abre bi mo na ma ye abai every na yamo be me interview platform so na me kan say me kan na ha sa kan musisa station eye o ma channel say untumi TV and radio stations no do na ye betum but that's it. That is the nature of politics in Ghana here. Oh yeah, me ne ade chama so mayo. This is not the first time a baby ye biu. Yan fan say and this is better than MPP better than so. You want the FM, you go no. Radio good, you go no. Until I said,
odi for na no
radio station be answer so work on go side ho. Eko agogo no says you go.
Okay.
Na almost a day.
Na no bi ye enye enti obi aba won so nye bia na.
Ama won so nye bi wo mo ye o maye. Na ye wuntumi anu wote. When so untumi became too arrogant. Ya de na ekeka kono sa na beba. Me ne manya info ni say NDC bomb ba chi wuntumi. We apart from so ma close down the TV na yi no and the radio station no. Me come to say prosecution be shasi.
Oh sir.
Wuntumi will go to jail. Mark my words. Not less than 15 years. I think the purpose of radio stations be all. I am to two. This FM by ene. Do FM by ene. But that's it. Now we had it. Pink FM by actually. On to be a call. I didn't baby. I do till the Paco and said, when you to me, I've been my man so. I can say it here, but I'm 2 minutes done here. Don't say you are somehow kind and one the best about you. Yes, so percent you more cocoa. About some say. Said the more who dinner. Your freeze accounts. They say, oh, yeah, what you may be. Yeah, the also be mount income. Yeah, tomb. A choice of power. Physical power. Look, really, Pansam Yamality. This is a more 2 months here. Mati, that's all to do good one. Okay. Yeah, no one. So who say, I do good, Yadiana Cassa, Edema NDC, Nambi before, as the Usuyan J. And as some George Swabba. Is it some George? What is a mouth? I don't know.
Odi for a day and come on AC, a Mampany John Gamani Mahama, HS 15th August, one more and number queen share, so she won't quire yan, or my jam of Frawachi. Or mining to me, Vessam of Frano, you better Massa Ramsa, and into Baba for Todia to hold your Manqualano Modachi, any woman school, a beach, a year, a yard, Panas, Ghana near one, in me bit near PF Mabanti, Nanko may your scholarship secretariat to order that. It's a baby Sanka, where who has a Bessan Quaco for Toby, and I co creative found the BB for. Yen rolling Colano was Nanka, scholarship secretariat no order than ain't taking care of time, you know.
These people who perish in pre-crash, another way around, are special.
Okay.
omo nye se be fom bi na ye no ma akotwetwe fom eri kaye mo abai abaso titi no hese sense jontaman mama ne na twena wode bai we bi enkoye te se tete no ya no de se etu kakra to obi kofa bi akodi afi etu kakra afi yem foto yem fa bi ngumu bi no mo fi mu no beso mo man te me kan se the president abo ato no bi o pese de fa no wotena ase huni no de ato nti enyae na on fanto ne mo na nkoye hwe e be boa amu moto ko dan da chit
Odifo womu a efa akwanhyia so ehwere womu kwa na womu kwa koye wo man adwuma ni nyina eye galamsey ya wo man Ghana ya ka emaka no eno eka ho bi ene nam so mo kohwe womu kwa afei helicopter womu di tu kwan no akwanhyia si ye ze na wokra kan se ebi wo ho a achedodo ebi ye fi Kwame Nkrumah penso ya manyofo no wo man no adwuma ebra so se yi amanyosam ne to nchefri se abra na abanda da bi wo so no yenya NDC abamu mpenifo bi be ka se na ye Ghana or private jet na so ye man mpeni asan ko han jet foforo na wo di tu kwan na wo se wo man ni sika na so na ne wo mo so kan se jet na wo ho no enye fit for purpose man mpeni ntimi mfa tu kwan NDC aban bae John Dramani Mahama eba ne se wo tu kwan ko baabi a ni nnuane jet na wo de ko ye Ibrahim Mahama ne private jet na wo de ko na no ikwa ko South Africa ne de na nadaro ma wo de maaye as for mine Ghana enti nya private jet ba ko a ebebo ye man penifo ye defense ministers any aswafo ni nyina ho ban e de na ewowe e ka de a kire wo man no e fa galamsey any amanyosem a eba wo man ni bibia na ye de ye no na fe fa community
na be ka ba ko pe se Ghana ye kotwa de ye toto adwene ye ka sa do so sene ye se be ni mudie ayewo Ghana is a talking country opa men ko busa aircrafts and I say jet bi ebo se e beto amoma panyin ebe ho menim sa dan ko for the ko to mo no e de si ye ma maintenance mum enya adwuma na engineers ya ebe gina ho technicians no ye mpie won kayiye na mo yi o mo yem ahihye no mo yi amaye ko to no ne ye nkwa e kwa president won papa odo ne asrafo nkayiye ya to so bi mesre pa se galamsey no ne kana kwaye dua batabo ni twa na twana o gire se after year chi ibi abana ni bebre go galamsey na no nkom kwaye akofa we baaye nti me hu videos bi se binom se abana no ntena se bra senka o mane bo ama hu a nke galamsey ase be tu wona nkom kwa ba fe no be diploma military military bo nko diploma nya ntina wo de ba se ma military fo nkoko kwa abontiri krum no ni bi o do mbaye nti on de bejai because ye kai kan ye nuanum bi wo mbi ya ye no ne abusuafo wo ko kan so beka se bra wan kan yi ti galamsey de ye nyai na ni se wo ko na se nso na bata wo fun no na wo do kwa yo be kuma mfi nso na fa ko de okun a wo de ko bebne mu se wo de ma no beka pa ma galamsey fu bi abedi matam bi na minyai because e bi o mo so o mu ni mo ye anti men to asem no so bi de sia
Odifo wo de SB bi anka akiri on de betu bi amaye
de betu ja na se Sofo Kofi Ambonsa wajimi we very stupid
Odifo de no personal beef bi
any personal beef na we kwase a nyansa nkura no mfa na kwase asem kwam
Abusia ye ne software computer man na atwetwe enkomo no message so beja wo comment e comment section ho e dia mama na afi we mi subscribe button ne so e ya fa be one ka ho se ne be na upload ni to mu ape pro na ofo no abo won ka ye no tine hu se ne ensem no ni nyina esite all the social media platforms so ko wa e ye too much gh o subscribe no wa like no wa share na wo nwa bi so enye bi ahwe dark gold na me je so ye be sen share